International rap sensation Offset detained by police while on his Instagram live. Hi again and welcome. This is Links of Low 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program.
Why not?
Because you got guns out.
That's my choice.
I'm not gonna move my hand from my steering wheel.
Because we were told that you guys were waving.
You celebrity, you know who I am? I'm Offset from the Migos. What are, they're fans. That's why they following me,
that
bro.
has nothing to do with why we're here. We were told
I just
that
watched.
you guys were waving guns.
You just
at
watched
people
somebody beat
that
my
were
car
really
up with a
proud.
flag. What are you talking about?
Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who's been good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. This is where you get the best in local and international news on celebrities. Off to a good start today, and we just wanted us big you up all the fans out there wherever you are watching our program. Thanks for joining us once more. So international rap sensation Offset was briefly arrested by police yesterday after police reported that guns was being waved from his motor vehicle. This caused a standoff between the police and Offset for some time while he was on his Instagram live, and we're about to divulge some details of that right now. But before that, let me just share the video with you that made the rounds on social media.
Why not?
Because you got guns out.
That's my choice.
I'm not gonna move my hand from my steering wheel.
Because we were told that you guys were waving.
You
guns.
celebrity, you know who I am? I'm Offset from the Migos. What are, they're fans. That's why they following me,
That
bro.
has nothing to do with why we're here. We were told
I
that
just
you
watched.
guys were waving guns.
You
at
just watched
people
somebody beat
that
my
were
car
really
up with a
proud.
flag. What are you talking about?
I need you to turn.
You told me
your
put
car
my hands up. I'm not doing that. You put my hands up. It's 25,000 people in my
I'm
live.
telling you.
You're gonna get
use
sued
your right hand
publicly.
to turn off the car.
Don't move, man. Open this door.
No, that's not legal. That's not legal. You can't just open my door.
Yeah, I can.
No,
You're
you
gonna get out
can't.
of this car right now.
You can't just open my door. You can't just open my door. You can't just open my door. It's illegal. I'm gonna sue the shit out of y'all. Y'all know who I am? What is you grabbing my?
Well, there you have it. That was just a brief situation that went down with Offset and the Beverly Hills Police Department after they tried to detain him. He said that he was not coming out of the vehicle, and we have some more details as it relates to this to bring to you right now on the program. So Offset was briefly detained by police officers during his Instagram live on Saturday. In a clip shared online, an officer could be heard asking him to step out of the vehicle. "I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that because you have your guns out," Offset said, with the police officer replying, "That's my choice." "I'm not moving my hands off the steering wheel," Offset said, as the female officer tells him that they were told that they were waving guns. "You know who I am?" Offset from the Amigos. "They got fans, that's why they're following me," the rapper replied. However, the female officer states that's nothing to do with why we're here. "We were told that you guys were waving guns at people." Offset claimed that the police officers watched someone beat up his car with a flag during the whole incident. In the developing story of this right now, a male officer then tells him to step out of the vehicle and put his hands up. In the car, he tried to unlock the door, and that would have been the police officer, as Offset tell him that he can't do that and he will sue him. So in a later report now from the Beverly Hills Police Department, the Beverly Hills Police Department later released a statement regarding the incident, confirming that Offset was not arrested and he was not detained by the police. However, another man who he was with, named Marcelo, was arrested for carrying a concealed weapon and carrying a loaded firearm in public. This individual is said to be the cousin of the wife of the rapper Cardi B. So that's the latest we have to bring to you as it relates to the whole entire situation. And prior to the arrest, it was said that Cardi B was hanging out with her husband the night prior to posting a video while they were just chilling. And it's just one situation that played out, and we have seen so many things happening as it relates to Cardi B and Offset for the past few days right now. But happy to say that he was not arrested. It was just someone that he was traveling with got arrested, and we'll have more details to come on this story once more information becomes available to us. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're out for this one once more. Peace out, bless.